In 2022, I ordered this package. It's 2024 and it just arrived. If you've been following me on any sort of timing, then you guys know I've been waiting for this forever. This is the Cactus Plant Flea Market McDonald's plushie toys. They're released in October 2022. It's January 2024 and the package just arrived. So I paid about $289, I believe, for 4 plush toys. They're supposed to be like 18 inches tall, and like the characters from the Cactus Plant Flea Market, y'all will see them. But why did it take so long? I don't know. When you first order them, they said that it was gonna take a couple weeks. It was gonna be production time. Just wait a couple months down the line. More months pass, nothing happens. More months pass. Then we get the email, oh hey, they're gonna start shipping, and now it's here. I'm just gonna get right to it, and let's just, oh my god. If there's one thing about me, it's that I'm really terrible when it comes to like lighting videos for YouTube. So I hope it looks good on your guys' end. Why is this so hard to open? So if y'all see, I'm trying to use these like little scissor handles to open it, and I guess it's really not working. If I cut myself, I'm so sorry, YouTube. I'm not ready for this. Ever since Cactus Plant Flea Market first came onto the scene, I literally just fell in love with all their designs, everything they've been doing, and I've been a supporter of the fan of the brand. But I know a lot of people, even after this scenario with like, oh my god, we waited years for these plushies, dropped off. I'm still staying strong. Like, I don't care. I know how it is. It's whatever. Like, okay? Oh my god. It's about to be time. It's about to be... Ah! Yo! Oh, and then there's a shirt. Oh, and then there's... Wait, okay. Let's get through this entire box together. So, I'm going to get to the plushie. Yo! So first off, there's some like little bracelets right here, as you guys can see. It says Bada Bada Ba, which is supposed to be the McDonald's slogan, I guess. Okay, wait, there's a t-shirt. They sent me an XL. I am not an XL. They didn't ask for a size. I'm gonna open, I'm gonna put a little thing so you guys can see. Yeah, I'm probably gonna give this away. If you guys want this, leave a comment below what you're gonna do with the shirt, and then I'm just gonna pick someone. I'm gonna give it away. I'm gonna run this as well on like my IG and then my TikTok page. So if you comment on all 3, you might have a better chance to win. I'm just gonna go choose through and maybe do like an IG live some point. If you with me, you with me, right? Oh my. Okay, so first up, we got Birdie the Birdo right here. Wow. And the quality is actually great from... Wait. Let me open her up. Opening her up carefully because, you know, we don't want the resale value to go down without the bag. Wow. And these are actually crazy quality. Wow. You guys see? Birdie the Birdo. This is the first one up. It says, made in China, 2312, Po 1165 to hold. What does that mean? I don't know, but we're gonna go on to the next one. Again, opening up carefully for the... Oh! Wait. I feel like they're all different heights because they were supposed to be 18 inch. I'm gonna measure. We got the little measuring tape. I'm gonna start from the head and go down. Oh, wow. He's actually 20 inches. It looks like they did keep their promise of promising that they were gonna be 18. Yo, this little guy's cute. This is my favorite because he's not like the typical McDonald's character. I don't know the names of them. So, this one's Chuck. His name is gonna be Chuck. This one's Birdo. So now we're gonna move on to the next one. Oh, this guy right here is my favorite. I know this fool. This fool's Grimace right here. No, this one is definitely my little hug buddy, as you guys see. Love the 4 eyes. The quality is actually great. Like, now I'm like, okay, I understand why they were $300 for all of that. Y'all look at the squad. The squadron is building up, and then we got the last one right here. This one right here, we can name him. He looks like a... No, this one looks more like Chuck because I feel like red hair gives me like... Like, you gotta be white and have red hair if your name is Chuck, you know? Oh my god, yo. Oh, look at the hair. Guys, the hair is like actual real human hair and it's so fuzzy. Don't quote me on that. Don't go say, hey, Jared said it's real human hair, because I don't know. I have no logistical standpoint on this actual saying. But look, he got the cape. He got the stripes. He got the pants. Oh my glob. This is actually great. Like, I couldn't have been happier, honestly. And look, the hat's like flimming up. Wow. Just me and the whole squadron right here, kicking it. So in total, for $289, Grimace plushie, Chuck plushie, Chuck number 2 plushie. We got Birdo the birdie with the 4 goggles on the top for the 4 eyes. I love what they're doing with that. We got this shirt. My cactus plant McDonald order was worth the wait. That's not gonna even fit me. Again, y'all know what to do if you want this. And then some bracelets. This was pretty, I think, eventful. This was pretty successful. I'm actually so happy with this order. But when it comes to this, like, I feel like I'm used to fashion brands and it should not become a norm. But sometimes people take months and months and months to ship items. Like, I know fashion brands, I've been through it. Y'all see this. From October 2022 to January 2024, was it worth 2-year wait? I want to say kind of. It was kind of worth the wait because I'm happy with the product I got. If I got like some dumb little toys that looked like the fabric was coming out, they made up for it. They threw tees, they threw free bracelets. Like, it's cool. I don't even know what the resale market is going to be. I want to assume it's going to be $1,000 for each plush, or not each plush, for the 4-pack. Or maybe like around $300 per plush. But I even have the whole wait, let me show you guys. All right, so we got good and bad news. So one thing about me is that I'm the most forgetful person ever. When I leave the house, I'm either always missing my keys, my phone, or my wallet. It's been many times I leave the crib. Where's my phone? Oh, I left it charging. Where's my wallet? Oh, I don't have my ID. Sorry. I got Apple Pay. No credit card on me. I used to have the 4 Cactus Plant McDonald's toys that they gave in the Happy Meals. I don't know where they are. I wanted to show you guys the similarities and the differences. But I found the Minion bag. I mean, it's basically the exact same thing. If y'all see, look at the quality. Look, they're basically, he's like one of them. He's one of the friend group, you know? But y'all look, I'm posted up with the squad right now. It's all 4, 5 of us, 6 of us with the Minion. I'm like covering it, my bad. But hey, they're really good quality. I actually am very happy. I'm gonna just give some more insight so you guys can see actually has like when you move up, down, different colors. I'm gonna show you guys the tags right here. It says the McDonald's on one side, it says the cactus plant on the other, and then this little tag that says made in China. But overall review, they're a great house piece. Like, literally just keep them on the couch. People can have stuff to say. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna put them, this is my room, but I got a pink couch in the actual living room, so they're gonna look great on there. It's gonna look amazing. 10 out of 10. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Thank you guys. I will see you later. Make sure you put that like button up in your pocket and have a great day. Goodbye. Y'all, this is my friend Tatiana. I'm doing a YouTube video. Just show off the plushies. What do you think?
I like this guy.
What's his name? Okay, you name him. I gave him a name, but I want you to give him a name too.
Mickey.
Mickey is a way better name.
Mickey
is a better name. I named him Chuck, but this guy looks more like a Chuck.
Oh, he's definitely a Chuck.
Yeah, this guy's a Chuck.
That's Chuck. And then this is Mickey, like Donatella.
Donatella is the perfect name!
And then this one is like Fatty. I don't know.
Fatty? Chunky.
Chunky. Like the bird.
Yeah, so I was driving earlier and I was like joking with her because there was a pigeon. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna run it over, and I skirted in and she's like, no, his name was Chunky because he was a fat bird.
I liked that bird.
Fat bird. Now this is the real outro. Thank you guys for watching. Tell them to click the subscribe and like.
Click the subscribe and like.
Pow!
Boom.
Alright, that was beautiful.